Good morning, YouTube viewers, and Merry Christmas! 2020 is almost over. I got fish in the car. Chris and Diver are on their way here right now. We're gonna go fishing today and we're gonna see if we can land some monster fish. I'm talking huge gar, bowfin, maybe a snakehead, maybe a snook, who knows? But we're gonna go see if we can catch some fish for our predatory pond. Stay tuned and we'll see you at the location. Okay viewers, so this time here at our fishing location, our corner that we like to work, I decided to bring shrimp. So we get frozen shrimp and we feed it to our red tail hybrids and a couple of our other predatory fish that we have at home. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get anything on some shrimp. Now, Sweetie here has already seen a bowfin that was just up over there. So I'm going to go ahead and cast this shrimp out over that way and see if the smell of shrimp, rather than a hot dog, which is what my husband is using, will bring out the bowfin. The only problem is I'm using a thinner line and I don't have a leader on because I kind of don't think I'm going to be catching a bowfin, but you know, I should have put a leader on just in case. But we'll see if I'll be able to manage it with this. Well viewers, I'm not having much luck. Oh look, there goes a whole school of tilapia. I'm not having much luck. I've tried the shrimp, I've tried hot dog, I've tried bread, I've even chummed the water up a little bit with catfish food. And yeah, there's tons of tilapia around, but they're just swimming around my bait. Chris is all the way down there, my lovely husband. He's trying to catch some gar, and up there on that little path over there, my kids are on that man-made mountain. But yeah, so I have my line, I put shrimp back on, and I casted it in a different spot this time in hopes that I will get something. You know, I'd be happy with at least even a turtle just biting it by now. But literally, I've been like fishing for 30 minutes, maybe longer. But yeah, I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you all the tilapia that are swimming around everywhere. Like around my bait and, you know, not going near it. The slightest movement that I make, they all take off like a tidal wave. It's funny as hell. But yeah, let me go ahead and flip this around and I'll show you all the tilapia that are just literally sitting there staring at me. Like right now, there's like 20 of them, a herd of them just sitting right here. It's quite irritating. But I guess that's why it's called fishing, not catching, right? So all right here in front of me are tilapia. And I mean, there's lots of them. I mean, they're not huge, but they're not really small either. They're a decent size, you know, bigger than my hand. But they're all throughout this here. They're all wrapped around this here, and they're all around my bait that's over there, but ain't nobody taking any of my bait. So the moment that I were to stand up, you'll literally see them all take off like a tidal wave. I don't know if I want to stand up or not, so they all take off, but I'm gonna go ahead and stand up. Like I see a lot of like mud and dirt getting stirred up there from them eating stuff on the bottom, but let me go ahead and I'll stand up for you guys and you'll see like the tidal wave that they do, because it spooks the living crap out of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and I'm up. You hear that? Look at that. Look at that. Tidal waves of tilapia. Just like that. Look at the whole water's all now stirred up and moving. They're just swimming on top of the surface everywhere. And I can't get one to bite any of my bait. We finally got some action going on. Not sure what's on it, but Catch 'em All Minnow's gonna go down there and see if he can scoop whatever it is that's on the line. What'd you get?
I'm flying.
Looks like it is a yellow belly turtle. No, it's not. It's a mud turtle. Boy or girl, diver? So at least the hubby is catching stuff. Yeah, me on the other hand. Yeah, me on the other hand, nothing. It's a girl. Yep. So my husband has found the snapping turtle. Now you can't see it here.
Like a cat.
Holy crap, guys. We were able to scoop this snapping turtle up out of the water to give the kids a better look at it. Wow. Look at the tail on this thing. He is arched, or she is arched up like a cat.
Oh yeah.
Let's see.
It's hissing like an alligator.
I gotta keep a safe distance, as you can see. It has a good range of reach. Listen. Shh. Let's listen to it.
Thank you for subscribing.
Wow. I'm about a good 1.5 feet away. I'm not gonna get any closer than that. Listen to that, it sounds like a dinosaur. Now it's walking towards me. Get out of its way.
It's standing up like a cat.
Wow. What a cool
It's gonna snap,
creature.
it's gonna snap. Keep
It's
that
okay.
It's gonna snap.
You want to see what it would do to the end of that?
No, it's gonna snap it in half.
See if we can get bite a stick like they do on all the other videos. Wow. Oh my gosh. You have to try again.
I can see where the beak went into it. Ew, its tongue looks weird.
So freaking quick. I know in videos you see how quick it is, but to see it in person is freaking cool.
I just see him breathing, diver.
He is a beautiful creature. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and snap some pictures of him before we go ahead and let him go on his way, or she. But wow, always something new.
Yeah.
His tail looks like a Godzilla thing. I haven't touched him yet. Everyone else has got to touch him. Looks like a normal turtle. But beautiful, beautiful creature to see up close. Kind of a first in a lifetime for me. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can get him to go into the water.
Baby dinosaur.
Yep. We decided to give him or her space, and they are slowly making its way back to the water. Look at that, like, dinosaur of a tail. See, now, I don't know if because the tail is so long, if this would be considered a male. Because I think for turtles, females have smaller tails than the males. But then also, I don't see too many snapping turtles out in the wild, so to know what they look like. There he goes. So we're gonna see if it slides down the bank.
Watch your step.
Oh, why did it have to pick the steep side?
The press steps the doozy.
Oh, it's gonna slide.
fish gonna appear right away.
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh, he's gonna get dead.
Disappear.
Whoa, look how deep that mud is that it's in that we would assume is shallow. We would have sunk.
It looks really shallow.
There it goes.
I guess not.
That was really cool to see after having no luck with fishing, to be able to
How is he still
get
walking?
this animal up here to examine it and see it and have this experience with it is definitely amazing to kind of like end off the 2020.
And not getting bit helped.
Yeah, that would have been bad if we got bit. Wow, there it goes. It's gone. Well, YouTube viewers, I really hope you got to enjoy that. I'm certainly grateful that I got to see something like that up close in person, be able to touch and see.
I got to pet its tail.
Yeah.
It looked really weird under the leg.
But we're gonna get heading home, get cleaned up. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell your friends and family about us, and also have them join the Matson.Outdoors family. Comment below, give us a thumbs up, like this video, and man, definitely stay tuned to our weekly updates. That was cool. And where did you get the food from? I am hungry.
My lunchbox.
Your lunchbox. Until then, YouTube viewers of the Matson.Outdoors, we'll see you next time.